children, welcome to Math Path. In our path, today we are going to have the second episode of sequences. Very important video. All type of questions are discussed in the video. It is very important for checkpoint, also for grade 10 CBSE. So do watch till end, children. So here we go. Identify whether it's arithmetic or geometric sequence. In our previous video, we have already seen that arithmetic sequences are the sequences which have common difference, and geometric sequences are the sequences which have common ratio. So when we look at the first here, so 3, 6, 12, what do you observe here? Every time you are multiplying by 2. 3 into 2 is 6, 6 into 2 is 12. So we are multiplying by 2 every time. If I take the ratio, 3 upon 6 is half. Then you have 6 upon 12 is half. So it is a common ratio. So whenever the terms have the common ratio, it is a geometric sequence. Now here what you observe here, plus 5. Every time plus 5 is being added, right? So this is having a common difference. So 10 minus 5 is 5. So every time I subtract the second term and the first term, I'm getting the common difference as 5. So such sequences are called arithmetic sequences. Again, here you can see 20 minus 2, 18 minus 2, 16 minus 2, you get 14, 14 minus 2, you get 12. Again, there is a common difference. Now, again, here it is 1 into 2, 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. So we are multiplying by 2. So you have 1 upon 2, 2 upon 4 is also half. So again, this is a geometric sequence. Understood how to identify arithmetic and geometric sequence? Let's solve the next question. If the nth term is 2n minus 7, what will be the 15th term? So here n, it stands for position. It stands for position, right? So you are asked to find the 15th term. So term 15, T15 is 15th term, is 2 multiplied by 15. In place of n, we put 50 minus 7. 2 multiplied by 15 is 30. 30 minus 7 is 23. Got it? Now, let's go. The nth term of the sequence is 7n minus 4. Work out the first 3 terms. Okay. So first 3 terms means T1. If I have to find T1, in place of n, I'll be putting 1. So 7 into 1 minus 4. So which is 7 minus 4, and that is 3. Second term, that is T2. In place of n, I'm going to put 2. 7 into 2 minus 4. 7 into 2 is 14, and 14 minus 4 is 10. The third term, T3, is equal to 7 into 3 minus 4, which is 7 3s are 21. 21 minus 4 is 17. So this is how your first 3 terms are 3, 10, and 17. Understood? Just you have to put the position in place of n to find the whichever term is being asked. Now here, identify the first 3 terms in the following sequence. The first term is 8. The term to term rule is subtract 3, then multiply by 2. So the first term, that is T1, is equal to 8, right? So if I have to find T2, then I have to subtract 3, that is 8 minus 3, and then multiplied by 2. So 8 minus 3 is 5, and 5 multiplied by 2 is 10. So my second term is 10. The third term T3, now I'll be taking this 10 over here, okay? So this is 10. It is going in sequence. So 10 minus 3, because it is said that term to term rule. From term to term we are going. We are not going from position. We are not finding the position to term rule, right? So term to term rule. From second term we are jumping on to find the third term. So we take 10 minus 3, which is subtract 3, and then multiplied by 2. So 10 minus 3 is 7, and 7 multiplied by 2 is 14. So this is how our 3 terms are 8, 10, and 14. Got it? Okay. Now, work out the expression for nth term of sequence and find the 17th term of the sequence. So this type of questions were already explained to you in the previous video. This is just a revision for you children. So here, before we write the formula, let us understand this is called the first term, which we call as T, which is 3. Then we can see here 3 plus 3, 6 plus 3 is 9, 9 plus 3 is 12. So the common difference here is 3. Then our formula is Tn is equal to T plus n minus 1 multiplied by D. T stands for the first term, which is 3 here, plus n minus 1. Common difference is 3. So 3 plus 3 into n is 3n, and 3 into minus 1 is minus 3. 3 minus 3 is 0. So our nth term is 3n. And if you are asked to find the 17th term, so T17, you will put the position n is equal to 17 here. So 3 multiplied by 17, which is 51. So your 17th term is 51 here. Understood, children? Come on, pause the video and try solving this question. Work out the expression for the nth term. Same formula, okay? And find the 20th term of the sequence. So what do you observe here? Okay, check your answer. Your T, that is the first term, is 15. Let us see the common difference. 15 minus 3 is 12. 12 minus 3 is 9. 9 minus 3 is 6. So D here is minus 3. Okay. Now let us use the formula Tn is equal to T plus n minus 1 multiplied by D. So T, which is the first term, that is 15, plus n minus 1 multiplied by minus 3. We put in a bracket since it is minus 3. Now 15 plus minus 3 multiplied by n is minus 3n. Minus 3 multiplied by minus 1 is going to be positive 3. 15 plus 3 is 18. And 18 minus 3n is your nth term. Okay. Then you are asked to find the 20th term. So T20 is equal to 18 minus 3 multiplied by 20. So which is 18 minus 3 multiplied by 20 is 60. And 18 minus 60 is minus 42. So if you know the nth term formula, we can find the thousandth from any term, just putting the position in the formula and you get the any term which is being asked. So 20th term here is minus 42. Got it, children? Let's solve one more question. The first 5 terms of the sequence are given here. Work out the n term rule, the same question, and find the 200 term. Right? So 7, you can see here the common difference. What is the common difference here? The first term, T is equal to 7. The common difference is 7 again. Okay, and then Tn is equal to T plus n minus 1 into D. Let us substitute 7 plus n minus 1 into 7. 7 plus 7 multiplied by n is 7. 7 multiplied by 7 is minus 7. And 7 minus 7 is 0. So your nth term is Tn is equal to 7n. And if you have to find the 200 term, so T200 is equal to 7 multiplied by 200. In place of n, I'm putting 200, which is 7 2s are 14 and these 2 zeros. 1400 is your 200 terms. So you see, knowing the formula, it becomes so easy. You cannot keep on counting 7, 7, 7, 7, 7 for 200 times. Understood, all of you? The video, please share with your friends. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.